I wanna ask you, I know marami kang gustong pag-usapan sa PBA. I'm looking at the standing right now. I don't wanna talk about the bottom because I know what
Yeah.
you're gonna say. But I would like to ask your point of view on the number one right now. Rain or shine. This is not a major company that's number one right now. Rain or shine. How and why? Or is this
Because
just for starter?
no, rain or shine is a product of nurture and nature. Hindi sila
Mm-hmm.
ano no, hindi sila big budgeted na like Ginebra na kumukuha lang ng
Mm-hmm.
mga talents, pinipinta sa ibang mga teams, nagtitrade
Mm-hmm.
sila. And in fact, Ginebra uh, has 7 players that are at least number 1 or number 2 in the draft. So talagang
Yep.
powerhouse yung Ginebra. You have TNT naman, mga blue bloods dyan, nandun sila Octana,
Mm-hmm.
Pugoy. Pati rain or shine, because of yun na nga, maliit ang budget,